Hey everyone, this is Shawn here, and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're watching this video, you want to know how to save money on your electric bill, how to save money on your energy bill. So before we get started, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have not done so, make sure that you hit that bell notification so you'd be the first one to know when I upload another video. And so also, if you're looking to make money online, my number one recommendation is down below. So make sure that you click that link. When you click that link, it's going to ask you for your email address, and then it's going to transfer you over to a video to watch. So make sure that you watch that video, because this is talking about and it's going to show you how a single mom is making money online. So come on, let's dive in. I'm going to give you 5 ways to save money on your electric bill. For me in my household, I'm recording this is October 29th. I don't turn my furnace on until November the 1st. No matter how cold it gets in October, whether it's get cold October the 2nd or October the 15th, I do not turn my furnace on until November the 1st. And so, you guys, I want to give you 5 ways how I save money on my electric bill. So number 1 is I lower the temperature of my water heater. And so instead of being super, super hot, I tend to turn it down, dial it down a little bit. So that can save you some money. The second thing is to go ahead, and we're going into the fall, soon to be winter. So what I do is I go ahead and seal any gaps underneath my doors. If you don't have the money to buy like the rubber seals, you can also, like my grandmother used to do, she used to put blankets, like by our front door, we would put blankets by our front door in case we had that gap, and so air will come in. Definitely we put plastic on the windows, and so if you don't have the double panes and you don't have the single pane windows, go ahead and put that plastic up there. The third thing now to do is save money is that, make sure that you set your thermostat, or even invest in a programmable thermostat to make sure that you can just set it. And so even when you're not home, you can turn your furnace down, and then you can program it at a certain time to kick it back up when you come into the house, or even when you wake up in the morning. The fourth thing that I do is I unplug all my appliances. And so the appliances that I don't use, I unplug. And so even though you had a surge plug, it's still sucking energy. And so my washer stays unplugged. I only plug it up when I use it. My dryer is unplugged. Any lamps, anything in my dining room, in my living room, I unplug it. If I'm not using it, it is not plugged up. And the fifth thing that I do is if you have a heated basement, if your basement is super hot because the furnace is down there, keep that basement door open, because you already know the heat rises. And so when you keep that basement door open, that the heat rises and can warm up your house even more, because again, heat rises. And so those are my 5 things that I do to save money that I wanted to share with you so you can save money on your electric bill. So what I want you to do is like this video, comment down below, share with everybody here on YouTube how you save money on your electric bill. But again, you guys, if you want to make money online, my number 1 recommendation is down below. Click the link, and I will see you guys on the next video.